The human eye, with its unparalleled discernment, delivers the final aesthetic judgment. Tactile sensitivity and auditory cues confirm the tile's flawless texture and structural integrity. A seasoned eye discerns the most subtle variations, ensuring absolute color and pattern consistency. Master artisans apply bespoke techniques, infusing tiles with unique character and luxury. With meticulous care, gold leaf is applied, transforming a tile into a unique piece of art. A dedicated workspace where bespoke artistry elevates tiles to collector's items. A handcrafted tile, a fusion of technology and artistry, stands as a testament to human skill.
Witness the dawn of innovation, where modern architecture meets the relentless pursuit of ceramic perfection.
Inside, cutting-edge technology and human ingenuity converge to redefine the art of tile making. Every step, from raw material to finished product, is meticulously orchestrated for unparalleled quality. Automated systems begin the journey, transforming Earth's elements into the foundation of design. Robotic precision ensures every raw material is handled with utmost care and efficiency. A symphony of automation guides materials through the initial stages of transformation. Precision unloading ensures a consistent flow, critical for the quality of the final product. Advanced sensors and robotic systems meticulously blend raw materials for optimal consistency. Human expertise, guided by precise data, ensures every ingredient meets stringent quality standards. Inside giant ball mills, raw materials are finely ground, preparing them for the next stage. The finely ground powder transforms into a uniform slurry, the very essence of future tiles. Through a labyrinth of pipes, the slurry journeys towards its next critical transformation.
The immense spray dryer tower awaits, ready to transform liquid into fine, uniform powder.
Atomized into a fine mist, the slurry begins its rapid drying process within the tower. In the control room, engineers orchestrate the drying process with meticulous precision and data.
Precise adjustments ensure the powder's consistency, a cornerstone of tile quality. Inside the immense dryer, liquid transforms into a fine, consistent powder, ready for pressing.
The perfectly uniform powder, a testament to advanced drying, flows seamlessly to the next stage. Protected and precise, the powder travels to meet the immense power of hydraulic presses. Automated hydraulic presses, colossal and precise, stand ready to shape the future tiles. Immense hydraulic pressure compacts the powder, forging the green tiles with uniform density. From loose powder, a solid green tile emerges, perfectly formed and incredibly durable. Robotic arms gently lift the newly pressed tiles, guiding them to the next stage. Laser scanners meticulously check each green tile for initial quality and consistency.
Even with automation, human touch remains vital for discerning subtle imperfections.
The green tiles enter a controlled drying chamber, preparing them for glazing. Within the drying chamber, tiles are carefully prepared, ensuring perfect moisture content. Perfectly dried, the tiles advance to receive their unique designs and protective glaze.
A flawless base glaze is applied, preparing the canvas for intricate digital artistry.
The wet glaze glistens, ready to receive high-resolution patterns from advanced digital printers. Digital inkjet printers, marvels of precision, await their moment to transform surfaces.
Millions of tiny ink droplets create stunning, high-resolution designs with unparalleled accuracy.
Realistic wood grain patterns emerge, showcasing the incredible versatility of digital printing.
From ancient stone to modern abstraction, design possibilities are limitless with digital precision. A continuous flow of artistry, where every tile is a canvas of digital innovation. Human oversight ensures color accuracy and design integrity, a blend of art and science.
In the studio's embrace, human creativity sparks, envisioning the next generation of tile aesthetics. Collaborative minds transform abstract concepts into tangible, stunning tile collections.
Every stroke of the stylus imbues the design with unique character and artistic vision.
From design's embrace, tiles enter the fiery heart of the kiln, where strength is forged.
Through the fiery portal, tiles begin their journey, enduring extreme temperatures to gain their final strength. Deep within the kiln, intense heat transforms the raw materials, fusing them into durable ceramic. Vitrification occurs, a crucial stage where glaze and body fuse, creating unparalleled strength. Automated systems and human expertise meticulously control the kiln's temperature zones. Constant vigilance ensures precise firing, crucial for tile durability and aesthetic.
Emerging from the inferno, the tiles cool, their inherent strength now permanently forged. The fired tile reveals its exquisite finish, a testament to precision and advanced technology.
Ready for inspection, the finished tiles journey towards rigorous quality control.
Laser-guided vehicles transport tiles with silent efficiency, minimizing handling and risk. Robotic arms delicately transfer tiles, ensuring perfect positioning for quality inspection.
Advanced scanners meticulously analyze every tile, ensuring dimensional and aesthetic perfection.
AI systems process vast data, instantly identifying and categorizing tiles based on quality. Robotic precision sorts tiles, ensuring only the highest quality products proceed to finishing. Human artistry complements AI, catching subtle nuances machines might overlook. A skilled hand ensures every detail, every texture, meets the highest aesthetic standards. Improved tiles journey towards specialized finishing, enhancing their performance and appeal.
Diamond wheels precisely rectify edges, ensuring perfect tile calibration and seamless installation.
The intricate dance of diamond and ceramic creates perfectly uniform, sharp edges.
Multi-stage polishing transforms surfaces, revealing a brilliant, mirror-like sheen.
A symphony of precision creates unparalleled smoothness and a luxurious, high-gloss finish.
The final polish reveals a breathtaking luster, elevating the tile's aesthetic and value.
An invisible nano-coating is applied, enhancing durability and providing superior protection.
Witness the magic of nanotechnology. Water beads effortlessly, repelling stains and grime.
Fully finished, the tiles embark on their final journey to packaging and distribution.
Robotic precision ensures each tile is carefully packaged, ready for its destination. Sealed and labeled, each package signifies a commitment to quality and excellence. Palletized with precision, the finished products are prepared for global distribution.
Human operators oversee final logistics, ensuring safe and timely delivery. The vast warehouse, a testament to efficiency, holds a world of design possibilities.
Beyond automation, human creativity thrives, shaping the future of tile aesthetics.
Every line, every stroke, a seed of innovation, blossoming into new tile concepts.
Collaboration sparks new ideas, blending textures, colors, and forms into cohesive collections.
The human eye, discerning subtle nuances is paramount in aesthetic judgment. Digital tools empower designers, transforming concepts into detailed, workable prototypes.
AI assists human vision, offering infinite variations and accelerating the creative process.
Unleashing AI's power, designers explore vast aesthetic landscapes with unprecedented speed.
Skilled engineers and technicians constantly optimize processes, ensuring peak efficiency and quality.
Collaboration between theory and practice drives continuous improvement and innovation. Implemented changes yield immediate results, a testament to their problem-solving prowess. The human eye, with its unparalleled discernment, delivers the final aesthetic judgment.
Tactile sensitivity and auditory cues confirm the tile's flawless texture and structural integrity. A seasoned eye discerns the most subtle variations, ensuring absolute color and pattern consistency.
Master artisans apply bespoke techniques, infusing tiles with unique character and luxury.
With meticulous care, gold leaf is applied, transforming a tile into a unique piece of art.
A dedicated workspace where bespoke artistry elevates tiles to collector's items.
The handcrafted tile, a fusion of technology and artistry, stands as a testament to human skill.
From high-volume precision to bespoke artistry, a spectrum of ceramic excellence. The synergy of automation and human creativity defines the future of ceramic tile production.
Bridging disciplines, innovation flourishes through shared vision and mutual respect.
A journey from raw earth to exquisite art, driven by technology and human ingenuity.
Within these walls, precision and scale combine, crafting tiles for a global stage.
Revisit the source, where raw elements embark on their sophisticated transformation.
Advanced robotics ensure precise measurement, critical for specialized material blends. Specialized mixers create perfect micro-blends, enhancing color and performance.
Scientific analysis ensures every batch meets rigorous standards before production.
Detailed spectral analysis confirms the perfect composition, ensuring consistent tile quality.
Powerful pumps propel the refined slurry towards the next transformative stage.
Inside the dryer, a fine mist of slurry rapidly transforms into dry, consistent powder. The perfectly dried powder, uniform and pristine, flows smoothly to the pressing stage.